Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Command Line Interface or CLI in Linux. Yet now, so far in the previous videos, we have executed only one command in the terminal. Now in this video, we would discuss how we can execute more than one commands at once. Let's open the terminal at first. Suppose we have a command that is pwd, that is giving the present working directory. Then we have the command that is date. Then we have another one command, suppose cal. So here we have executed only one command in the terminal. Now there are several options to execute more than one commands at once. The first one option is the use of semicolon. Suppose I am executing these three commands, that is pwd, then use of semicolon, then the date, then once again the semicolon, and then the cal. Press enter. Now you would find that the first one output is of the pwd command. The second one output is the command for the date, and the third one command is the output for the cal. Now we can also use the command using space here. There would be no problem. Press enter, the same output is here. Another one thing, we can also use the echo command to separate the commands we are using. At first I am pressing the Ctrl+L to clear the terminal. Then echo double quote dash dash, that means I am using the pwd command. Then end of double quote, semicolon, then the pwd command, then semicolon, then once again the echo command, double quote dash dash, and at that moment I am using the date. So end of double quote, then semicolon, then the date command and semicolon, and once again the echo of cal command, semicolon, and typing the cal. Press enter. Now you can see there are three echo commands. The first one is the echo for the pwd, that one is the output. Then the pwd command is executing and its output is here. Then once again echo for the date, so the output is here. Then the date command is executing, so that one is here. And then once again the echo command for the command cal, so the output is like here, and then the cal command is executing. Always remember in what sequences we have given the command, the execution is sequentially on that order. That means the first one pwd command is executing, then the date command is executing, and then the cal command is executing. Suppose we are typing any wrong command here. So what should happen? Suppose for the date I am typing here in place of small t a capital T. So there is no command practically like that. So when we press enter, the first one command pwd is executing without any error. But for the second command, when that is the capital T for the date command, the command is not found. So the cell is responding that the comment not found, but the cal comment is there. So cal comment is executing without any error. So in the case of semicolon, when any one of the comment is wrong, there would be no problem. The rest comments which are right would be executed. At that moment, I am giving the PWD comment as a wrong comment. Press enter. So the first one comment is not executing, giving the error. The second one is also giving the error, but the third one comment is now executing without any error. So what is the second option? Press Ctrl L to clear the terminal, and here I am using the second option. In place of semicolon, we can use the double ampersand sign, and also we can use the space, and without space that is also possible. So at that moment I am executing or pressing enter. So the first one comment is PWD executing, second one comment is executing as date, and the third one comment cal is executing without any error. That is also possible if we remove the blank spaces from here. Let's check what happens. Now press enter and the comments are executing without any error. Now there is a difference between the semicolon and the and. When we have semicolon and we are typing any comment as wrong, so the PWD comment would be executed, then the date comment would give the error, and the cal comment would be executed without any error. But in case of ampersand, or it is also called as and, if we type it, that means the PWD comment is right, date comment is wrong, and then the cal comment is right. So what happens here? Press enter. Now the first PWD comment is executing without any error. But when the date comment is wrong, it is not executing and it is not proceeding to the next comment. So there is the difference between the use of semicolon and also use of double ampersand sign. Let's check once again another one thing, and ls. So here I am typing date as a right comment, then the cal, capital L, press enter. So the first one PWD is right, no problem there, so it is executing without any error. Then the date comment without any problem, executing without any error. But the third comment cal, there is the capital L, so the command not found, so the ls command is not executing. Now press Ctrl L to clear the terminal. So yet now we have checked the semicolon and the double ampersand to execute more than one comments at once. There is another way option, and that is OR, and OR means the double pipe. Let's check PWD, then pipe, double pipe symbol, and suppose at that moment date. So what is happening here? Press enter. OR means if the first command is true, true means it is executing without any error. There would be no execution of the second comment or the following comments. But if the first comment is wrong, then the second comment would be executed. Let's check. Here we are typing the small d as capital D. So press enter. The first command is wrong. So the second command is true. That means it is executing without any error. What happens if we type more than one command? So in the case of PWD, I am here giving PWD, then capital T, and then the double pipe and cal. So the first command is true, so it would be executed only. So the first command is executing, not following the next two commands. Same as suppose the first command is also not true. So the second command here is also not true, but the third command is true. That means it would be executed without any error. Press enter. So the first command is wrong. So PW capital D command not found, or date capital T not found. So the third command cal is executing without any error. Let's check what happens if we use more than 3 commands. And now suppose ls, the fourth command. Press enter. First command wrong, second command wrong, third command wrong, but fourth command is true. What happens if we also do the last command or the fourth command also as wrong? So press enter. First command wrong, second command wrong, third command wrong, and also the fourth command wrong. So no comments are found. So that is the way we can use more than one commands at once in command line interface in Linux. Type clear to clear the terminal. If you find the video useful, then like, share and comment. And moreover, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.